How to max out volume on all MIDI notes fast in Logic Pro X. Actually, it's more of a how to manipulate MIDI notes properly in Logic Pro X. For example, if we lay some drums and all of our kicks aren't the same volume, it's going to sound weird, right? So let's do this. Let's lay some drums. And we notice by color that these aren't all the same. Okay, so now we can select all the kicks by clicking, holding, and dragging. And we want to grab the velocity here and bring it right up to 127. Now you'll notice it won't let me because some of these are already at 127 and the lowest one will only go up to 103. So now I hold down Alt and it overrides it. And now I'm all the way up. Hold down Alt the other direction as well, and you can bring everything down to whatever you want it to bring it down to. Now, once they're all at 127 and you hold down Alt and bring them back down, they're all going to be equally at that range now. So before they were all at different velocities, we maxed them out and evened them out, and now we can bring them all down equally. Okay, so now we can do the same thing to the snares. Notice how they're different colors. I'm going to grab everything, and I'm going to hold down Alt and drag this to 127. Let go or click somewhere else. They're all the same color. I'm going to select them all again, hold down Alt, drag down, and they're all still the same color, right? So we normalized everything. Let's go back up. And that's how you max out and even out volumes on MIDI notes in Logic Pro X. Next lesson.